Okay guys, in this video we'll be doing the Wonderland room from TryHackMe, and IP address is 10.10.56.222. So I have already done the nmap scan to save some time, and there are only two ports open. SSH port is open and web server port is open. So let's go to the web server and see what it contains. Follow the white rabbit and press Ctrl U for source code, and there is one image, and let's go to image. Let's see if there is a directory listing available. So there are 3 images, so let's keep this for a while. Let's say image. So these are the 3 files. I have already run the GoBuster scan. So if you run the GoBuster scan on this using the big.txt, you have the image, poem and /r. So let's go to first poem. We have already seen the image, and the poem is just some poem. Press Ctrl U and you do not find any juicy information. So let's go to /r and keep going. Would you please tell me which way I ought to go from here? So after this, you take this as a URL and run the GoBuster on this, and you will find that there is a. So you need to still keep on going. So we don't know how many directories you need to go further. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the Python script. So let's say nano testbrute.py. So let's also open the interpreter at the same time. Let's say import string and string.printable. So this gives us from 10 numbers, 26 lowercase alphabets and 26 uppercase. So 10 plus 26, 36 and 62. So that should be do it. So what we are going to do is first we are going to import requests to send request to this URL, and then we need to import the string. Why string? We need to import this from numbers to characters. So what we are going to do is s is equals to list of string.printable. So I am making a list of this all of these characters as a list. So what I am going to do is let's say I have RA and then I have some capital A. So page not found. So let's say I want to find 10 directories, okay, for J in range of 0, 10, 11, and then what I want to do is for every request I need to change it to A, B, and then I want to change it to C, and then I want to change it to D, so on up to those 62 characters, okay, for I in range of 0, so 10, 26, 26, 52 plus 10, 62, right? So let's say 63. And then what I'm going to say is let's first grab this URL, base URL, and let's say URL is this one, HTTP. So this is the base URL, okay. Let's say temp is equals to URL plus what I want to add is slash and then this first character 0. So in that way I want to check all these characters for the first URL, that is R, okay, S of I. So we have made the temporary URL that takes this URL and appends this first character 0, and then we are going to say r is equals to request dot get of temp. Now what I want to do is we have sent the request. I need to check r dot status code is equals to 200 and length of r dot text greater than let's say 15 characters. Then what I want to do is I want to print this URL, print of let's say temp. So after printing the successful URL, I want to make this URL as this one. So URL is equals to temp. So after first iteration we got the r as a success, small r, and then it will take this one as a new URL and it will put the slash and next character. So after this, if you found the correct position like a slash r, then we need to exit this. So and then we can check for second directory. So I think this should do it. So let's once revise again what we have done. We have made these into list, and from 1 to 62 we are iterating, and temp is equals to URL plus this one. I think this should do it. Python 3 test brute.py. Now run this. So we have the first one R and second one is A. So we have A. So let's find for third one B. I think it's a rabbit or rabbit hole. And I. So let's go one by one. B and keep going. B and keep going, and this one is it rabbit. So you can see we have got some different page. Open the door and enter Wonderland, press Ctrl U, and you can see we have some paragraph with this display none. Alice, this is the string. So this is the SSH password for the user Alice. So let's go and log in. Now paste the password, and we have successfully logged in. Let's say ls lsl la. Now we have the root.txt, but it can only be read by the root user. Now we have the walrus and the carpenter.py. Let's run the sudo l, paste the password again. Now we can execute this command as a rabbit user, so not a root user. So we need to escalate to another user. Let's see the contents of this cat walrus carpenter.py. So it's a paragraph we have seen in the web page, and it's using the random dot choice. So this should import the random module, and you can see it has imported the random module. Now what you can do is you can create a new random.py. okay, if you create in the same directory, so whenever this script has been run this import random statement, then it's gonna import it from the local directory random.py. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's grab a Python reverse shell. So copy only this socket code. Okay, so let's go to web and let's say Python beautifier. So this should be aligning our according to the semicolon. It will create a new line. So paste here and click on format. So this should do it. Copy all this and go to this nano random.py and paste this. Now save this. You can see connecting to our 5555 cat random.py. So let's start the listener on 5555. So whenever we run this command, this file is going to import the random code and it will execute in the memory. Sudo -u for user rabbit and then paste the code. First I tried with the -c, but it asked for the prompt. Then I asked help in the Discord. A friend of mine have told me that we should not use the -c. So let's now run this and you can see we got the rabbit. Who am I? Rabbit. cd home and ls. So there are 3 users, so we cannot go into any of other users. Let's go to cd rabbit and ls -la. So it's a sweet binary tea party. So let's run this tea party. So write anything. So whatever you write, it will give you the segmentation fault. So let's upgrade to TTY shell. So now I think we have the better shell. So this is the tea party. Let's do the strings. So strings has not been installed. So what you want to do is let's transfer our binary to this to our Kali machine so that we can apply the strings in the. So which nc. So nc is there. Tea party. So it's a 16816. So 16816. I think we can close the connection now. LSLTR. So we have got the 16816. So let's apply the strings on this. So welcome to the party. Mad Hatter will be here soon. Bin echo end date. So you can see here it's not using the absolute path, it's using the normal date. So bin echo, so it's using correctly at this echo binary, but for the date it's using a normal path. So what you want to do is, let's create touch date. Okay, after creating the date, let's say bin bash p. So this should be thrown into date. Let's make this executable, otherwise it's does not get executed. So we need to export the path. Export path is equals to where are we, home rabbit colon already previous path dollar path. So now this should do it. Okay, whenever this binary is running, it will search for the path, and first path is home rabbit. So we have one date, so it will execute that one. So t party. So now you can see who am I, we are hatter. Okay, let's go to home directory of hatter ls, and we have the password. So this is the password of this hatter user. I tried for root user, it did not work, so let's copy this one, and now what you can do is you can SSH into this one. So we will get some nice decent shell. Now you can just close this shell, but anyway we will keep that shell. cd temp. So running the linpiece, so you can run the linpiece, but it takes time, and I also have some scrolling issues. So it will show you like this. So it will show you like this. We have this binary and set UID for per. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to GTFO bins. So you guys run the linpiece, don't forget to run that. So now let's search for per. So if this has a cap set UID capability, now we can get the root shell. So let's copy this one. So it's a typically USR bin. So it's setting the UID to 0 and then executing the bin sh. Now run this. Now who am I, root. So you can see we got the root. So this is some rabbit hole. So you can also use the burp suite for this, but it will be very easy with Python.